Okay.
I'm going to ride it.
Yeah, I like to see that, Ed. Now, parrots are amazing animals, but they're very, very noisy. This one's making a lot of loud sounds, which I don't really like. So for that reason, I'm going to take a lot of music. So that'll keep him busy, right? Now, birds have wings, and they like to flap their wings. And I am thinking about a word that sounds like flap. And you can do it with your hands. You know what it is? Clap. Everybody clap. Can you clap? Clapping sounds like clapping. So what word sounds like flap? It's clap. Everyone, this bird's name is Boomer, and although he's not the most colorful bird we have, he's the bird who needs the most attention right now. So I have to use him, okay? Any parent knows you might have a squeaky wheel in your family that needs the most attention. So our cockatoos are like that. Boomer can say hello, and he also likes to flap his wings. We have 2 cockatoos here today. The other one is white. Now, cockatoos can live a long time, and this bird is much older than you are. He is 35 years old. Okay? One bird behind me is even older than this one, and it happens to be the little green bird right here. Her name is Corbell. She is 38 years old. Okay? Now, of course, we're the moms and dads of these birds. Well, they're just a little bit older than the birds are, right? Oh, we have lots of scarlet macaws here today. At least 5 or 6, maybe 10 or 15 of them, huh? Well, the truth is, all of these birds are parrots. Everybody say parrot. What color is this parrot? She's called an Amazon. Everybody say Amazon. The Amazon parrots in our show are our best talking birds, and this one's our oldest. We adopted her when she was 10 years old, 28 years ago. Do the math. That's 38 years. That's how we determined her age. Say hello. Okay. All right, Corbell can make the sound of a car alarm. Do you do your... Oh. Now, they can be trained to repeat, but we can't make them talk. But we can show them how to do all kinds of fun tricks. Some of the things they do in our show are spontaneous, like when they show off like this. Wow, are you happy now? When he's excited and animated, he's very happy. When he saw that animated bear in the front yard, Ed and I've never seen one of those. We were afraid too. We saw that guy, and Boomer thought it was real, a big teddy bear come to life. So he was disapproving of that. So he was flicking his head like this, okay? So Boomer is one of our amazing birds, and he's going to perform for you. Now, I'd like to invite all of our kids to sit like a good little audience. If we're playing with that, it's going to scare the birds. So make sure you don't play with anything that might scare the birds, all right? So let's get started with the show. Everybody excited? Yeah! And what is the bird going to ride on today? What is he going to ride on? What? Right. Okay, good. Thanks, Ed. Okay. You think of everything, don't you? All right, just in case I need it for Yaki too, huh? Keep bird ride. Well, Marty is the star of the show. He's one of our 2 cockatoos. This is one we bought as a baby, and this is one we rescued and adopted into our show. Very different ways of acquiring these birds. So this guy hatched out of what do birds hatch out of? Do you know, kids? Yes. Eggs. You know a thing or two about birds. And do birds have any hair? No. Fur or feathers? Feathers. All right, good. Oh, look at the yellow ones go up. Woo! You need new batteries? Put them up. Pop up your crest. Pop up. There we go. All right, everybody say hi to Marty. Say hi, Marty. Hi. Marty can talk into my microphone. Say hello. All right, now this guy does the most tricks. We've had him all his life, and we've raised him from a baby. He's hatched in Sunnyvale, California, and he is 32 years old. So we got him in 1990. He's the one that starts our show off, right? He wants another snack. All right, here's another snack for him. Now go do your business. He's going to raise up the American flag. That's how he starts every show. Pulls on the cord, flag goes up. You're in the audience. Uh-oh! That's not supposed to happen. But our audience is so supportive that they will clap their hands anyway, right? Okay. There's one thing that we've learned in life: when you have kids or pets, anything can happen, right, parents? Okay, you're gonna get used to it after a while. Now, Marty doesn't like to fly, so we bought him a bicycle. And when he was 1 year old, Dad taught him how to ride. All right, do you ride a bicycle too? Maybe your dad taught you to ride. Marty learned it the wrong way because Dad taught him to ride it backwards. That's exactly what Ed driver? See, parrots are smart, and they can learn all kinds of things. Marty can even ride on what is this? All right, does Adrian ride a scooter? I can see Adrian and Marty riding down the sidewalk together, right? Let's clap for the parrot, you guys. Good job. Good job. Marty even has a sport that he loves, and his favorite sport is basketball. So here's his hoop right here. Here's his ball. Birds don't have any hands, so how will he carry the ball? With his what? His mouth is his beak. Everybody say beak? Beak. And the parrot's beak is shaped like a hook. So make a hook with your finger, okay? So even the scarlet macaw has a hook-shaped beak. Marty can carry the ball with his beak. He's dribbling down the court. He is up for a basket. Everybody say yay! Yay, whoops. And we'll drop the ball. Okay, so this bird you're looking at is not an Amazon like the green one. You can see he has white feathers. And this bird are both called cockatoos. Can everybody say cockatoo? Cockatoos are clever and intelligent birds. Ann and I have had a lot of birds in our life. We will never adopt or buy another cockatoo. I can tell you from experience they are some of the most personable, almost human-like animals, but it's also the most demanding of all of our pet birds, okay? But that is good for him. He loves to socialize and he's really smart, right? He's clever, intelligent, and he's playful and smart, right? Just like all of you. So he's nodding his head in agreement. He also shakes his head no. All right? But this bird is so amazing, he knows maybe. Look at maybe, everyone. Yeah, don't you think you should be practicing that right now? Yeah, I thought so too. Okay, good, very, very good. Now Marty's a nice bird. He wants to give me a kiss. Aw, and he loves to go to birthday parties. He would like to meet Adrian. Adrian, would you like to meet the bird today? Come on up. Let's clap for Adrian, everybody. He's going to be my helper. Adrian, would it be all right if your brother stands next to you? Okay, now Adrian, turn and face the people. They all want to see, and your mom wants to take a picture, right? And who are you? Caspian? Nice to meet you. Caspian and Adrian, look right at your mom's camera. All right, boys, what would you like to do? Do you want to hear her talk to you? You're standing in the rain. Let's come over here where it's not raining, right here. Good. All right, Caspian, look over at mom. Stand next to your brother, though. We want to pose, all right? Like you're on vacation. Good, good. Of course, you don't know what a vacation is, probably. That's okay. You'll find out later. Now, Marty's going to say hello. Hello. Do you like them? Do you like the bird? All right, he wants to kiss you. Look at your mom. And you want to feed him some food? Give him some food. Good job, Caspian. And your turn. Very good. You're good with animals. Let's clap for our birthday boy and his brother. Good job. Did you like that? All right, I'm going to call it. Hey, did a bird pull your teeth out? Is that what happened to him? The bird pulled those out? Just kidding. Yeah. Have a seat, you guys. Let's clap for our birthday boy and his brother one more time. Very nice. Very nice. Now, of course, I love to get kisses because I'm his mom, right? And you want to kiss me again? On the lips, of course, right? No? What, do I have bad breath or something? I do? Not true. I brush my teeth every day. Smell. Now, that's not nice. He has to kiss his mother every day, right, boys and girls? Yeah. Okay, once a year he has to kiss his mother, right?
No!
He's going to kiss me now.
No!
Let's clap for Marty, everybody. You're a really good job. You can almost feel the human just spewing out of his pores, right? He is such an amazing bird. That's because we spend every day of our life with this parrot. The very rare turns we go away overnight, our very own daughter has to take care of our parrots because she knows them as well as we do. All right, well, you did a really good job. I know, I'm just saying you're a difficult pet, that's all. People shouldn't be buying cockatoos. But we already have you, so we're stuck, right? Yeah, we are. We're stuck with you. Now I want you to meet one of our most entertaining birds named Corbell. Corbell is a parrot who is an Amazon, and she is a bird we adopted into our show. So we stopped buying birds long ago. We now only rescue and adopt, but this is one we adopted a long time ago, 28 years ago. She's going to say hello.
Hello.
And let's hear that car alarm again. Can we hear your car alarm? Now, parrots actually can talk, but many of them can choose not to. They can make a lot of annoying noises just to get your attention. Why should they talk, all right? So when they do, it's really quite magical, and they use their throat for talking. By the way, they don't use their tongue or beak. What's your name? Good job. Her name is Corbell. Corbell does animal sounds. We're going to start with a rooster. Say, cock-a-doodle-doo. A cat. A dog. Coyote. Nice. Let's give her some applause. Nice job. And she's funny too. Corbell does other human sounds such as coughing. And it's like a sore throat or something. I know it wasn't funny, but Corbell thought it was. You gotta have a real dry sense of humor like we do, okay? Now she's gonna sing a little bit, okay? So to get her to sing, you just take your finger like this, and then you sweep it, and then she just keeps on singing. Very good. Let's give her some applause for that singing. And years ago when you were just babies, your mom said you did a lot of crying back then, but not anymore because you're all big kids, right? Yeah. They're big kids. They don't cry like... We just said they were big kids. They don't cry like... Please stop making that noise. Thank you. All right, and... Sorry. Did you hear that? And... Uh-oh, who does that? How come your parents are all smiling and pointing at you right now? Oh, they stopped pointing, but you can see they're still smiling away. Corbell did a great job. She's going to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Let's give her a big round of applause. This is Corbell. Now, the cool thing is she just keeps on talking after her part's over. For that reason, we have to put her away after her part's over. Because she interrupts the other one, and that one gets really angry if we keep Corbell out. So she'll just keep on whistling and talking until Aunt comes back. Now you might be able to see the feathers moving on the throat, and that is where they're generating all the sound and the words that you heard Corbell say. Right now she's going to say bye-bye. 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 Let's say goodbye to Corbell, everybody. Bye, Corbell. Thanks, Ed. Don't need a spray bottle today. I just put them out in the rain.
No, I know.
You like water? There you go. Okay. You're waterproof. How about you? You want to go out there too? I'll bring them back in a second. These cockatoos are waterproof. Literally, you can mist them with water and nothing sticks. Do you know why? I'm going to tell you why. That is because they have powdered down. Covering each and every one of their feathers is powder. It's created by the down feathers, those fluffy things that you find in your pillows. And it's really incredible stuff. So he could be out in the rain for 20 or 30 minutes and he would not get a single feather wet because that powder down covers his feathers. I'll show it to you. I'm gonna blow it off for you right now. Ready? You see anything? All right, let me do it again. Did you see anything? A little bit? Not much? A little. You're supposed to be duskier than that, huh? See, my fingers are white? So that's why I was wearing black pants. I'll show you. So Boomer has got a lot of powder down. Let's go ahead and move on and introduce our next bird, who is beautiful in blue, and his name is Gordon. Now Gordon's a good-looking guy, and he's called a macaw. Everybody say macaw. Macaw! Now there are many different macaws, and we have two here today. The beautiful hyacinth, which is the largest of all macaw species, and then there's that beautiful red one who looks like a scarlet, but is actually a cousin of the scarlet macaw called the green wing. So we'll talk about him later. But Gordon also is a very friendly and strong bird, but parrots are not appropriate pets for kids and adults. Only good for teenagers, everyone. So just for a few years of time where they have a lot of time and not much to do, okay? But they can outlive most people's desire to keep a parrot because they can live for 60 to 80 years, okay? Now, somehow my bird just poo-pooed on my table. Why would he do that? He poo-pooed on my table, everyone, and I'm not very happy about it. But instead of getting all upset and mad about it, I'm just going to clean it up, okay? Because there's no sense in trying to teach him not to do that, okay? He just wanted to make a statement. He wanted to make sure you knew he was real. These birds do not have batteries inside. They are real parrots. And you know what he can crack? He can crack a nut. Okay? Parrots like to eat very hard nuts. And I did bring one. I'm just trying to find where it is. Look, Gordon, I've got a whole pocket full of treats. Where's the nut? Uh-oh, there's one. Uh-oh, there's one. I told you I had a pocket full of stuff. I found the toy. This is one of the bird toys. Check it out, Adrian. You know what that is? What is it, Caspian? Yeah, I have two of them here. Which color do you like better, blue or red? Like the blue one? Good. I'll have them chew that one up then, okay? Oh, you don't want to see a bird chew something up, do you? You want to see total destruction? Right. Now, I don't want to scare you because parrots are vegetarians. They will not eat you. And after the show, I'm actually going to invite you to hold a bird on your arm, okay? But don't think, oh my gosh, the bird's going to chew on me. Do you know why he won't chew on you?
Because we're bigger.
Because you're people. He doesn't eat people.
Because we're bigger.
Yeah, you don't chew on Adrian's fingers, do you? So parrots will cause a path of destruction as pets, and they would probably try to chew on your toys, or maybe if you're a grown-up, you have a cell phone. If I leave my toy here, don't chew on it. I'll be right back. Parrots don't understand rules very well. So when you have them as pets and you tell them not to do something, then they will oftentimes do things they're not supposed to do. So they're more like babies or toddlers and don't make a big mess. Now, I might have some glue. I can fix that, right? Adrian probably has glue in it. Uh-oh. Adrian, maybe I could glue them together again. Do you have any glue? Oh, Gordon, are you making a bigger... Gordon? No, Gordon, you're... Oh. Gordon, you're making a mess, Gordon. Gordon, don't do that. Look, I even have more pieces now than ever before. Gordon, you made a big mess. Why do they need that beak? For destroying your toys? No, for cracking... That's mean. That wasn't very nice, was it? Why would you do that to your mother? Right? Look at the mess you made. I'm gonna clean up after you. So they need their beak for actually cracking nuts, not just for chewing on stuff with the worms. Are you getting wet? Is that what you're saying? All right, so let me show you what he can do. Now, when you have an energetic pet like this, you need to be creative to come up with things for them to do. So Ed and I have discovered that they can learn things, and we train them to do all these silly tricks so that we can tap into their intelligence and their playful nature and give them something to do while they're living in our world. Wow, he's doing a really good job of riding that bike. Maybe we can support Gordon by clapping our hands. He might go even faster. Come on, Gordon. Wow, you look so cool. Good job. Now, Gordon also has a skateboard. Want to see? Here it is. Now, he has two hobbies, riding the skateboard and chewing the skateboard, right? I am not so happy about him chewing on the skateboard, but you wouldn't mind seeing that, would you? All right, so let's see if Gordon wants to ride for you, okay? Let's say, go, Gordon.
Go, Gordon!
I do not like the water. Right? You are not getting wet. Just get on the skateboard. They all want to see you ride. It's going to be so much fun. Oh, look at me. I'm having whee. That's not working. Please get on and ride across the table. You are being a very bad boy. You're being a bad boy. You're being a bad boy. You're a bad boy, huh? You want to talk? Say hello. Say hello. All right, you want the microphone? Fine. We'll do it your way. All right, here we go. Say something. Ah, what are you doing? You're supposed to talk in the microphone. No, don't chew the microphone. Ah, get on there. Come on. Ride. Say hello. Hang on. You're supposed to get on the skateboard and ride across the table. Get on and ride. All right, Gordon, do you want to open up this can of drink? Because I really want you do. All you have to do is ride the skateboard and you can do it. Come on. Okay, is this the way it is working with your kids too? Look, he did do it. I'm going to let him open it up. Wow, everybody say awesome! He's like, hey, that's pretty fun. I like doing that. I told you you'd like it. Come on, Gordon. All right, let's clap for Gordon, everybody. He's doing a really good job. Let's see him crack a nut. Now, inside of a bird's tongue are bones. Parrots can use their tongue the way we use our fingers to brace and hold things. Well, he's going to crack it with his beak, but he's going to use his tongue to hold the food, okay? Look at his tongue reaching. He'll transfer that to his foot. He'll hold it with his foot and his beak, and this is why they need that curvy Oh, you like the naughty boy, huh? He did a really good job. Let's give a hand for Gordon. Very nice job, Gordon. You know, when we're working with these birds, we have to be very clever about how to motivate them. And they don't understand you have to do this. So you have to find some way for them to say, hey, I think I really want to do that. Hey, you, come on. Now you're whistling. I like that. Now, this guy is a very energetic bird. We adopted him into our show. He's had 3 other homes, and now he's part of our show. So he really was an unfortunate pet for somebody. He does like to flap, and he raises up those feathers on his head. You see them going up? Now, if everybody wants to clap their hands, we can see what we can do to get him busy. He's excited, right? And he's showing you his natural talent of hopping. Now, Boomer is his name, and he is 35 years old. He likes to go shopping, and I have a shopping cart for him right here. He's going to put all the food in the cart. Parrots eat all kinds of foods, including fruits. Hey, you dropped something. You don't eat waffles. What is that doing there? I like that, don't you? Look at him go, pushing the cart to the checkout stand. Wow, he's a reckless shopper. Let's clap for Boomer. Good boy, Boomer. The cockatoos are a lot easier to work with. They seem to have a sense of urgency that the macaws don't possess. The macaws can stand around looking. The cockatoo's like, I gotta work to get them out of attention. So they're a little easier to work with in general, but they're hard to live with. So Boomer's going to do another trick. He's going to put all of his toys into his toy box, okay? Now, Boomer is a very playful bird. He has a lot of toys. These are his toys that he brings to work with him. So he does not get to play with these at home. They're very special, but he's an unusual bird because his way of playing is actually putting his toys away. So I can get him the toy and he'll just put it right in his... Don't do that. What do you think you're doing? No! All right, try the green one. Want to do that one? Oh, come on. Right, then you do it by yourself. You don't have to stand over here in the rain. Oh, it looks like Boomer says he can handle putting all of his toys away all by himself. Where that guy come from? He's not supposed to be there. How many can he carry at one time? 4. He said 5. 1,000. Maybe he can do 1,000. That could take all day. All right, let's clap for our cockatoo Boomer. He's a pretty awesome bird. And he is a bird that we rescued, so there's a really interesting story that goes in his past. He did live with a guy who lived near the corner of Meridian and Foxworthy, not too far from here. And he was somebody's pet 3 times over. So when we got him, we said, let's not send him away to somebody else. Let's go ahead and keep him. Now, he's savoring his treat. He won't just gobble it down like Gordon will. He'll take it back and dissect it, and then he'll enjoy every bite. Now you get to meet our big red bird. His name is Forrest, and he's one of our favorites because he is such a gentle bird that he loves to stand on kids. And Adrian, you get to hold this bird right now. Do you want to be a helper now? All right, Caspian, you can help out after your brother this time. So come on up. Let's stop for the birthday boy, everyone. Good job. Remember when we were feeding him? We're going to put our hand like this, and you get to feed him. Now, I pulled my hands away, Caspian, because parrots don't often like to be pet. So we're not going to be able to pet the bird, but instead we can have a bird stand on our arms today. Who thinks they'd like to do that? Would you like to? Okay. All right. Forrest can talk. He can say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. He's so Does it tickle? All right, take your arm like that. Good. I'm going to put the bird here, okay? I'll help you because that's what I do. I'm a helper. All you have to do is smile over all those people. Where's your mom at? She's over there. She's so proud of you. Good job. All right, give a big smile, okay? Nice smile on. Look over at the cameras. Look how strong he is, all by himself. Move on. Move on. That way we can take a picture. All right, thank you. You're so tall. Did you get his picture?